Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel, and if it's your first time stopping by, you're most welcome. Today I'm super excited because I will share with you a very simple way to take care of your skin. Very simple way using aloe vera plants. So if you want to know how I take care of my skin, continue watching. Guys, thank you for watching. That was my simple skincare routine. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly consider subscribing and share this video with your friends. Bye bye.